In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find the color codes of any color in Adobe Photoshop. This is a simple but very useful Photoshop skill, especially if you want to match colors accurately, reuse a color in another project, or keep your design work consistent. The good news is that Photoshop makes this process very easy, and you only need a few clicks to do it. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. Once your image is on screen, look over at the toolbar and find the foreground color swatch. This is the color box that shows the currently active color you're working with. Go ahead and click on that foreground color swatch, and Photoshop will open the color picker window. As soon as the color picker appears, you can move your cursor over the image to begin sampling colors. Photoshop lets you use the eyedropper tool right from this stage, so all you need to do is hover over any part of the image and click on the exact color you want to identify. This is especially helpful when you're trying to pick out a precise shade from a photo, illustration, logo, or any design element. Once you click on a color, Photoshop instantly shows you the full color information inside the color picker. You'll see the RGB values, which stand for red, green, and blue. These values are commonly used for digital work, including videos, websites, apps, and anything designed for screens. You'll also see the CMYK values, which represent cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. These are important when you're creating designs for print, because printed materials often rely on CMYK color settings rather than RGB. In addition to that, Photoshop also gives you the HEX color code. This code is widely used in web design, graphic design, and other digital projects. So if you need to share a color with a developer or use it in another design tool, this is usually the format you'll want to copy. This built-in feature makes it incredibly easy to grab the exact color you need and use it consistently across your work. Whether you're matching brand colors, recreating part of a design, or just trying to understand a specific shade, this method is fast, accurate, and beginner-friendly. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to identify and use any color code in Photoshop with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.